How can you buy a home before selling your old one? If it's time for you to make a move, the best and most convenient way to do is buy your new home before selling your old one. However, this process is a little easier said than done. While the average homeowner has a massive $200,000 in equity, actually accessing that equity can be a little tricky without selling your home. In the past, you might have been able to use a home sale contingency, but those are increasingly uncommon in our low inventory market. Fortunately, you still have options. In this video, I'm sharing 3 of the best ways you can leverage your equity to buy a home before you sell and make moving a breeze. Use a home equity line of credit. A home equity line of credit, or HELOC, is a second mortgage that allows you to borrow cash based on the value of your home. In other words, it allows you to use your equity without selling your home. While lenders vary on how much they let you borrow, 85% of your equity is standard. If you choose this option, you'll need to act fast. Getting approved for a HELOC often takes longer than a traditional mortgage approval, so you should have it in place before applying for your mortgage on your new home. Once you moved into your new property, you can put your old one up for sale at your leisure and pay back your HELOC using those profits. Using a bridge loan. A bridge loan is a short-term loan that uses your equity as collateral. Once you have a new home to buy, you can reach out to your lender and apply for up to 80% of your combined value of your old property and your new one. These loans often take less time to approve than HELOCs, but there's a catch. They tend to have higher interest rates and are usually only available for people with great credit and high equity. You'll need to work closely with your real estate agent to make sure you move quickly and sell your own home as soon as possible. That being said, bridge loans remain a convenient option for homeowners who qualify. Using a third-party buying service. If you ever heard of companies like HomeLight or Knock, this is the service they provide. Put simply, they approve you for a certain amount based on the equity and value of your current home. Then they'll purchase your new home for you using an all-cash offer using their approved funds. From there, you can move into your new home, sell your old one at your leisure, and then purchase your new home back from the company using the profits of your sale. The main advantage of these companies is that you can make an all-cash offer, which can make your offer more attractive in this hot spring market. However, there are service and interest fees that you need to consider. Whatever option works best for you depends on your situation. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, Miguel Garanza with RE/MAX Platinum, the Spotlight Home Team.